Gad Insider's list includes camera phones from brands including Samsung, Apple, Xiaomi, Google, etc. In recent times, more mobile manufacturers are releasing advanced camera phones, making it quite difficult to pick the best one. Apple, Samsung, Google, Xiaomi, and Honor are known for providing great camera phones with features such as higher resolutions, more megapixels, zoom capabilities, sharper lenses, and overall good camera quality at reasonable prices. Here we have listed some of the best camera phones of 2024 in different categories based on their standout features. Best camera phones of 2024. Best phone camera for photography: Xiaomi 14 Ultra. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is the best option for photography enthusiasts, providing a wide, variable aperture and the ability to take high-quality images compared to rivals. It also has a high-contrast black and white mode for capturing monochrome street images. Moreover, Xiaomi sells a photography kit, including a case and grip, for added physical support. Best camera phone for photos and videos: iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, Apple's latest flagships, feature a new titanium body and A17 Pro processor, making them more appealing than ever. They boast a 48-megapixel main camera with extra zoom and a telephoto lens, making them the best option for capturing both photos and videos. Best camera phone: Google offers Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is the best phone from the tech giant. The rear camera setup has a slick design and easy-to-use Android 14 software for taking amazing pictures. The phone also includes new AI features, such as a tool that uses generative AI to create wallpapers. Best phone camera for zoom quality: Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is one of the best camera phone options, offering a sharper 5x optical zoom and a faster new processor. It is also one of the first phones with Samsung's new Galaxy AI features, including tools for translating text messages and phone calls and circle to search. Best cheaper iPhone camera: iPhone 13. While the iPhone 15 Pro Max has an excellent camera setup, its high price can be prohibitive. The iPhone 13, available at a reasonable price of $599, has an excellent dual camera setup that enables users to take vibrant and pin-sharp images.